Hello, I'm Jim Peyser, Massachusetts Secretary of Education. Manufacturing is a critical part of the Massachusetts economy, with over 6,600 companies and almost 250,000 employees. Manufacturing is also a driver of innovation, including industries like biotech, medical devices, electronics, and aerospace, just to name a few of the sectors that are on the leading edge of technology, right here in Massachusetts. But even though 80% of people believe manufacturing is critical to our country's future, fewer than 1 in 3 adults would encourage their children to pursue a career in manufacturing. The general view, or more accurately misconception, is that manufacturing isn't safe, that it doesn't pay well, that jobs are disappearing, and that manufacturing isn't challenging or enjoyable work. Nothing could be further from the truth. Wages in manufacturing are higher than just about any other sector. Manufacturing jobs are stable, and employers can't find enough workers to fill their job vacancies. And manufacturing is high-tech work that requires problem-solving skills and creativity. We need more people to take advantage of these exciting opportunities. The Baker-Polito administration is investing millions of dollars in upgrading manufacturing programs in our vocational technical schools and community colleges in order to expand our training capacity and to make sure students, both youth and adults, are learning on state-of-the-art equipment. Manufacturing is where the action is, and it's where Massachusetts' future is too. Be a part of it.